William Ruto, Netaru William Ruto.
I'm a member of National
Representing
Assembly. I'm a member of National Assembly.
Representing
yes, and that is what I'm doing. I'm telling you, even though I correct to tali Kiambu. If you vinko kote ina kote every match, tinda kote inki Kiambu konya rosi. Na kote every chipara tali Kiambu korosi. Ndu onje again to gekoro kuna bono in Kisii County. Nkwa rore school abantu ba demonstrate koro kwa Raganga. Onye kuharora infrastructure is school where you top notch.
But other people are accusing you on that school's performance.
Now, that school's performance, that's a very good question. A school where ya ekerona vete MP ya wata bana 24 from 1 to from 4. 24 students. Nkaruo nkachaka feeding program with school where kwanza nkanyerosie karaba elinda bana babe attracted. Boni ge school ine bwata by the time bale gukora matemu nja bwata banange 200 160 or thereabout bagakora matemu. They performed poorly. Bonu ntaitenko boli in terms of performance eyuna kyumu chumba go chaini ntina provide ria balimu na lunch na provide ria bana na lunch school egichis ebirasi ebirebiya administration block na rosiri enya na abafense iri school babwate tangi babwata kamugondo aka ege teacher bagusimeka chingeni na kyo mweshimiwa gocha in terms of performance ndu onkoira ni maega inki arumotari gomprezeri ekere my schools are the best performing in Gusii singencho Cardinal Tunga igere number 2 Kisii, number 3 Kisii, Nyabururu Girls igere number 4 the whole of Kisii na ende kero gocha kwa korege ndugekuroku average Kitutu Central Sub-County ase Gusii nero number 1.
You are supposed to take responsibility as having
na kingo gotebia.
So you don't expect us to take sides.
That's what I'm telling you. Lakini you're only exposing the negative. Now I'm telling you ase Gusii ngima. Now Kisii County nero tu akore average. Kisii County, Kitutu Central Sub-County nero number 1 in all the sub-counties to Bwate. Ase performance ya academics. I'm not lying. Number 2, again, to Kennedy, Amagendero is not just about the roads na kuandira amache na binteri. It is about human development. Human development na mangana kuru ku education. Nche up to 2026 there was nobody kuru 2023, 24, 25 nobody has ever dropped out of school. Ask my chiefs, ask the assistant chiefs, ask the DCCs. Naro rengo rekoro kuwalela na agenda naro wono munyia ask the ACCs nechi coordinator tiani nobody ever dropped out of school mboni gatubwato bokomu aseki asengencho eserekali yacha create system etali sustainable abantu basinyuko enda grade 10 which is the national government project into the best we can do ne bursary and we are going to give everyone again tokende na tetengo tebi. When I became MP, abantu balenge kwa uwe bursary because balenge a university niche college bale kwa a bursary were about 2,380. 2022 September nadina manyete. Boniga we give up to 7,000 people bako enda TVETs, bako enda universities, bako enda mid-level colleges. We have transformed our constituency and I want to tell you, ask Getena. Everybody who applies for bursary in Kitutu Church South, iga konyore bursary. Etoko tebaiga my brother Lawrence. Nyamanke ya kura bokimake. No me teke Gusieki. Me te bonchari ne town mono. Ora nyorto me teke Gusieki.
Como algo que tú.
Nyamanke.